Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stylized terrain which kind of resembles like Minecraft with the cubes and stuff in 3ds Max using Tyflow. So normally it would be quite annoying to make it, but using Tyflow you can very simply generate this kind of geometry, and I'll show you how to do it. So first things first is, of course, you need a terrain geometry, and I did this using Typhoon as well. And you can simply make this just randomly generated very quickly. But once you have this, what we need to do now is obviously open up Tyflow. So let's go to Tyflow. I've already made one. So if you want to put that in as well, all you have to do is go to Create tab and then click on Tyflow, and then that should do it for you. But let's open up this editor. Yep, that's it there. So what we want to do is we're going to use a thing called birth voxels. So birth voxels is here. That. All right. First thing we want to do is obviously we need to link this event to the terrain, right? So how do we do that? So let's take this pick button, click that, then click on the terrain. Right, now that's done. So let's change this display to let's see, geometry, right? And then to maybe green. It's got like a green color. Kind of resembles grass, I guess. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, I guess. Maybe a bit darker. Yep. And then after you've done that, let's go to shapes. Yep, shapes, because we need to change these shapes into actual cubes, right? To resemble Minecraft. So obviously remove this first. It's not relevant. We don't need the triangles. And then we just make a new one, right? And then let's go down to 3D. So let's change 3D, and then make that into cubes, which is a little bit further up from here. So cubes, like so. Yep. We can simply just turn off this terrain map file now. But as you can see, this is basically Minecraft, right? I mean, obviously you can change the scale of it. So, you can manipulate, say, for example, it should be under voxels. Yep, so here under here, volumes, size. So, if you want this to feel even bigger than it is, you can maybe change that to, 0.88 or something like that. Or, let's see. That give us a, yep. All right, perfect. Look at that. See, now that's looking like something. So, yeah, very cool. Um, you know, and after you've done this as well, you can even, do it to other things, right? It's not just terrain. So this tool, you can use it on just about anything, even on trees. So you can literally just make everything look like Minecraft. I've already gone ahead and created these, like a tower building in the site, and using the very same methods, you can literally just duplicate the same settings, right? So if I just turn this back on, take a minute, and then I'll just hide the initial geometries. As you can see, it also did the same kind of Minecraft cube style on it too. So yeah, there's one really important thing to note though, because we are doing it like Minecraft. There are some nitpicky things that you have to be careful of, is because the sizing, right? So you have to make sure that the sizes of the birth voxels are the same. They're pretty much close enough, as you can see. But also, you can also manipulate how these terrains might look. So what I might do is I might change this back to 1 for each one, so we can keep the numbers a bit consistent. So 1, and then this one back to 1 as well. It'll take a minute. Yep. Cool, perfect. Yep, so you know, there are these presets called grains and grids. So depending on what you choose, it actually affects how they place these cuboids, right? So let's see, if we change it to grains, might make it more smoother. It'll take a minute. Yep. And it changes the size as well, depending on what you do, right? It's a preset, so you can also go to grids as well. So if you change it to grids, I do something else. Oh, much changed. But yeah, there are those presets that you can use, and that's how you can get like these really random values. But I'll keep it simple and put it to 1. So yeah, that's how you make a Minecraft terrain style model. Thanks for watching.